As you enter the gates of IHM Pusa, you are not just stepping into a college campus. You are stepping into a world where hospitality is lived every single day. Welcome to the Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, Pusa, where passion meets precision and students train to become industry standards. For decades, this name has stood for excellence in hospitality education. But beyond the reputation, it is the experience here that truly shapes you. Right at the front is our bake shop. What makes it special is simple. Everything you see here, from freshly baked breads to pastries and savory delights, is prepared by the budding chefs of our institution. And this is not just classroom practice. It is real-time production, serving real customers, maintaining real standards. Recently renovated for better efficiency and bulk operations. Moving inside, the reception area reflects the very first lesson in hospitality. First impressions matter. As students, we are trained to understand that professionalism, warmth, and confidence begin the moment a guest walks in. Our conference room is where ideas take shape. Industry interactions, seminars, discussions, and guest lectures happen here. The studio kitchen is designed for demonstration and advanced learning. It is a space that encourages creativity but demands discipline. Then there's our 200+ seater auditorium, a venue for academic sessions, cultural programs, workshops, and events. As we move further, we step into the advanced training kitchen. This is where skills evolve, preparing us for real industry environments. Behind every smooth operation is structure, and that's where the commissary plays its role. Our basic training kitchens for both degree and diploma students are newly renovated and equipped with top quality infrastructure. This is where foundations are built. Knife skills, hygiene standards, every professional journey begins here. In the quantity food kitchen, meals are prepared for over 1,000 people daily. What truly sets it apart is the zero wastage policy. The regional cuisine kitchen celebrates diversity, and here we explore authentic techniques, traditional preparations, and regional specialities. Our newly renovated bakeries, both on the ground floor and the third floor, are equipped with modern infrastructure. From artisan breads to advanced confectionery and plated desserts, students train in precision baking and pastry arts. Beyond kitchens, learning continues in our newly constructed and spacious library. Because great chefs and hoteliers don't just work with their hands, they think strategically. In the IDS Next Lab, student trains on industry standard property management systems. Technology is an essential part of modern hospitality, and we learn to operate with confidence. Our computer lab supports academic growth, while the housekeeping labs focus on one of the most critical pillars of hospitality. The laundry facility gives us insight into fabric care and operational system, while the guest room simulates real hotel environments. Service standards are practiced here. Our newly developed classrooms reflect the Institute's commitment to modern, future-ready education. Campus life extends beyond academics. The hostels provide a structured and supportive environment. Sustainability is a responsibility we take seriously. With solar panels, composting plants, and vegetables grown within the campus, we understand the importance of responsible operations. There's also space to recharge and stay active. From sports facilities and an outdoor gym to the basketball court and open green areas, balance is essential because this profession demands both physical stamina and mental focus. At IHM Pusa, we don't just prepare for jobs, we prepare for long-term careers in an industry that thrives on excellence. Every kitchen, every lab, every classroom here contributes to shaping confident, skilled, and responsible professionals. This is not just a campus, it is a training ground for the future of hospitality. And for us, it's where the journey truly begins.